So, I have to keep wiring up the Gentex Commander 3. It's really hanging up loose, as you can see. But I might push the wires all the way. So let's go ahead and just connect this. Alright, now the alarm is really here. As you can see, the wires connected and everything, the wires. And now you put the thing on, just like that. There. Next, make sure to use the faceplate after that. And you snap the thing in. It goes like that. And that's how you install your Gentex Commander 3 alarm horn strobe. So I think they're replacing the antenna. But yeah. See what? Look. Thank you guys for watching.